Right, welcome back to Advancing Car. This is just a very quick one today, just to show you how we can add a bit more usability to a Halo that was already previously fitted into this 2019 T6. So this is a Camper King conversion, I believe. So obviously leisure battery and all that sort of jazz, but the leisure battery is all the way mounted right at the back, and this customer wanted to be able to have make use of that switching capability. That means you can obviously be parked up, engine turned off, but you can still turn the Alpine on, use it, and then you can also still watch films and things like that, because that's what I think he wants to do with it, which also ties in with us fitting an HDMI out lead. He's already got an in for like a Amazon Fire Stick, I think he's got plugged in there, and then we fitted a little out lead that goes down to his glove box, which he can then chuck an extension cable onto to like a monitor or something like that. So let's go round to the back. I'll kind of show you the area I was working in, give you a quick rundown of what we were doing, and then we'll jump in the front and show you the switch working with the Alpine coming on. Let's go have a look. So right around the back, you've got all the leisure system and everything is in here. So you've got your main fuse boards and everything, little anniversary bits, solar panel, charging and all that sort of jazz. And then down in this section here, under this panel, is where the two batteries are for the leisure system. So all I've done is run a decent sized cable with a fuse at this end that's just down in underneath here. So it's still relatively easy accessible. You just have to take this lid off, which is a bit of a wiggle, but it's there, and then the fuse is right there in front of your face. So I'm just taking straight off the battery and then following some of the cables up behind this panel, still cable tying where I can because I don't want my work to rattle or anything like that. Then running up, I then went up into the roof. There could have been maybe some other options, but I looked at the fact that the cupboards and things are all going to be modular, so drilling into them, getting through them, going to be tricky. So I went up into the roof, came across over to the far left-hand side, which is where all the factory looms and everything run anyway. Got nice clean access, and then straight down with the pop top, and then down to the front the same way I'd run like a reversing camera, dash cam lead, all that sort of jazz anyway. Yeah, all went in really nicely. So I'll jump into the front, we'll show you where the switch is, show you it all working, and that's it. Just a nice, quick, simple, easy one. Right, so we decided a nice simple place for the switch to go, just down here on this panel here. You can reach it from the driver's side, you can reach it from, if you were just about to get into the side door, you could reach in through the passenger door first and then just flick it on. We put a little LED switch in there, so it's nice and obvious it's on, even though actually, as you can see, the Alpine is now powering up and doing everything. Let's just turn that down. Yeah, so you still get full functionality of your Alpine, but it's now just running off the leisure system, so it's not interacting with the vehicle battery, so you don't have to worry about, oh no, I've been using the Alpine and vehicle battery's gone dead or anything like that. Keys out the ignition, it's got the key. Yeah, that's it really. It's just a leisure mode, all in, all working nicely. Nice smart place for the switch to go, and that was about it really. It's now just given, like I said earlier, nice bit of usability to the Alpine, and means that the customer can now go and park up for the day, the weekend, whatever, and watch films, listen to music, do whatever he wants to do, and know that he can still start his van up and get on home. Basically, this is achievable in any vehicle. It doesn't have to be a T6. Any vehicle that you've had, especially one of the newer Alpines in that has that extra little lead that you can tap onto. We can do it anyway because you just kind of separating the loom up anyway, but it's just easier with that extra function that Alpine added. So yeah, if you've got a T6, T5.1, 6.1, doesn't have to be a transporter. It could be anything that you've got an Alpine in, or you would like to have an Alpine in and you would like that extra usability of being able to turn it on off a separate battery, then yeah, just there you go. That's how it's done really. It's nice, easy, simple. That's it. So keep watching all the videos, keep liking and subscribing, and if there's anything you'd like fitting, please get in touch. Come see us, give us a call, and we'll work out something cool that we can stick in your car. Thanks for watching.